Whatever we were learning, I was actually able to start applying. And even today, I can see that all the learnings at IPL has been really impactful. Hello, I'm Smriti Jayaswal, and I have more than 20 years of experience in the IT industry in the BFSI domain. I currently work as a global payments product lead with HSBC. So I was already working with HSBC as a lead analyst, where I was responsible for implementing their different customer journeys. And while I was doing that, I was looking for ways to further accelerate my career growth. And really trying to understand what's the next step for me, what is the next level for me to get into leadership roles. And that's where I came across product management, and I thought it made absolute sense because I was already playing a lot of business and function roles. And I got interested and started exploring more product roles. And at the same time, I thought if I want to really be an expert in this area, it makes sense to upskill myself and learn the entire product development life cycle and ways to really develop myself as a product leader. I came across IPL actually on LinkedIn, and I found it really interesting. Honestly, I spoke to a couple of alumni members. I came across different success stories where certain alumni members had actually totally transitioned into product leader roles, and that kind of really created a good impact. And then one of the things that I found interesting about IPL is that it was all about experiential learning and not theoretical learning. If I wanted to just learn, theory, about how product development works, there are of course loads of courses available on Coursera and Udemy and etc. But I was really looking for hands-on experiential learning, and that is what really got me interested in IPL. The product labs, the whole concept of product labs, and the interesting classroom discussions. So all of them I found really interesting, and that's why I decided to head towards product management at IPL. The whole journey with IPL was really interesting. First of all, what I really liked is whatever we were learning, I was actually able to start applying. And even today, I can see that all the learnings at IPL has been really impactful. It has helped me carve my own career and shape my journey in product development. It has helped me to transition into a product leader. I am able to really think, empathize with the customers and design impactful customer journeys. As a takeaway, I would say product labs. It gave me the opportunity to really implement solve real life problems and implement journeys which are impactful for the customers. And third is the interesting conversations or discussions in the classrooms. Those were really interesting because we had a very interesting cohort with very versatile people, and learning through them. Plus the hand-picked professors that IPL has. Those were really good, and I think from each one of them we actually developed abundant skills and knowledge, I would say. So I would suggest that if somebody is genuinely interested in product roles, and if you think that you're really interested in solving business problems, customer problems, and that really excites you, then I think you should plunge into it, develop your skills, upgrade yourself, and there are loads of opportunities available. If you see around us, we have loads and loads of product startups. There are immense opportunities to really grow, and this is just a perfect time to start developing yourself as a product leader.